Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your iPad M1 Pro. It's a Bluetooth connection between the two devices, so let's start with the PlayStation 5 controller. We'll make this discoverable. Grab your controller and we need to press and hold two buttons. They are the PlayStation button and the Create button. So let's do that now. After a short while you'll see a blinking light. Hopefully you can catch that blue around here. Once you see that, pop the PlayStation controller down. Let's turn our attention to the iPad. We want to go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and we want to enable Bluetooth. Now, it's already located the DualSense wireless controller, so I can click this, and it now says connected. And if we have a look at the PlayStation controller, we have a solid light there. Now, to disconnect, we can press and hold the power button, the PS button, to disconnect and turn off the PlayStation 5 controller. Or we can come along here, press the I, we can disconnect here, or we can forget the device. We can also press here and rename DualSense wireless controller perhaps to PS5 controller or something that you would desire. So, I hope you found that useful. If you have, really appreciate a quick thumbs up as it helps me out so much and helps others find the video too. Thank you very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day.